Welcome YouTuber to my channel Handbox. We're going to be doing another DC Multiverse unboxing. And this time it's going to be the one and only Batman. So here we have it, guys. We finally have Batman. Yes, Batman. This is probably going to be one of three Batman toys that I have. Here you have Mcfarlane's toys. Wow, look, this Batman is one of the coolest I probably have. Look at the details. Oh my god. As you see on the left side, I have Red Hood just chilling there. And you have the Bat vehicle, the Bat Raptor, sorry. We did an unboxing of that last week, remember? But wow, look at that. Look at the detail of this guy. Let me just punch into him a little bit more. Wow, he does not look happy at all. But look at his muscles. His details of his armor is just awesome. Wow. Okay. Let's turn him around a little bit. See what the details are of his emotions. His eyes. Oh wow, you can actually see his eyes pretty well. Unlike other toys, their eyes are actually pretty blurry or they're not painted well. And here you can actually see his lips are pretty cool. Like they're not mushy. Wow, those muscles, the armor, the belt, the bat belt. Wow. Look at the details. As you can see where his armor is, right? Like right there where his armor is. Inside the armor, it's generally exposed, isn't it? But it looks like some carbon weave. Like that right there, in between his legs, on his thighs. You can actually see this weird little pattern. It's pretty awesome. Look at this gun that he has. Wow. Comes with, it seems like he has this gun. He has a grappler. And he has the batarang. Wow. Let's unbox this guy already. So let's have a look at the box, as you can see right here. The front, the side, it's a simple Batman description. And in the back, oh my god, that is cool. I'll zoom. It says Batman Arkham Knight. Oh, so he's actually part of the Arkham Knight series. Doesn't he just look so mean, yet so cool, guys? Okay, so you have the 5 cards that you can collect. It says Batman Earth 32, Earth 1, Azrael, Earth 44, and who is this? The Grim Knight. Yes, that looks awesome. I wish I actually created a toy that looks like this guy right here. And you have the Batman Arkham Knight sticker right here. Yep. So it's a Warner Brothers toy. It's DC, Batman. Yeah, and you have Arkham Knight written on top. So it says 22 moving parts right there. So let's see what those 22 parts are gonna look like. Let's do this unboxing now. Side. Let's look what came inside the box. We have the card, the collection cards. As you can see, we're slowly building up our collection. It's exactly the same thing that you see in the back right here. This guy right here. And you have the stand. Yep, as a typical action figure does. We're just gonna set him aside. So here you have it. He's out of the box. 1, 2, 3 items, and you have the Batman. So what's behind him? Oh, the Batcave cape. It actually moves. Oh my god, that is so cool. It's not stretchy. It's pretty hard, but not too hard. Like you could move it around with just your finger, right? Let's try to take him out of this little elastic thing that's right here. That's holding him inside. Now we're just gonna plop him out. Oh, wow. His armor is so awesome. It's like he's so flexible. He seems way cooler than Red Hood. Okay, how are we gonna take this guy out? Let me just bend him and push him through. Oh, there he goes. Okay. Let's put that aside for now. Oh, his head actually moves. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. Okay. Wow, that's cool. He feels way more high quality than the Red Hood. He was a bit more expensive, of course. Look at that. Look at his arms. Okay, let's just see the motion that he actually has in this toy. So his abs does move left and right. Does he turn? He turns very little. He does rotate much, obviously, as you can see. Let's try his arms. His shoulder blades barely move, but he can move forward and backwards. His rotator cuff. Look at that. So you see his hand? Twist it, he's outwards. Same thing with the right side. Okay, straighten him out. Let's try this. Okay, he's backwards, he's forward. Backwards, forward. His elbows are able to move. Look at that. Okay. His arm is actually moving because his body movements are so restricted in this uniform. So his elbows are able to move. Okay. His wrists are able to move, as you can see, right there. Okay. It seems to, yeah, it does a full 360. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. Same with the right hand. Full 360. Okay. What else can it do? Oh, you can actually bend the wrist. Look at that. Look at this. So in case you have like a weapon that needs to hold a different angle, he's able to. Oh, that's awesome. Okay. Didn't he have his belt? It's pretty flexible. Yes. His legs. Let's just see. How much can he move his legs? He can go front and back. Okay, he is pretty, yeah, he does have a lot of motion. Look at that. He can do the splits. Hiya! Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, now let's move his kneecaps, his knees. They have full motion, full range, forward, backwards. You can't turn them sideways, of course, like normal knees, you cannot do that. Let's do this one, it's more close to the camera. Okay. It goes forward, backwards. His toes, does it move like the Red Hood? Yep, you can fully move the front toes. That is just so cool. Look at that. Just look at his armor that's actually covering his shoe. Look at that little hole right there. So, when he goes forward, it fully covers the front part of the shoe. And there you go. What's behind him? Okay. You cannot take the belt off. I don't think you can. Nope. It's fully stuck there. Can you take the cape off? Probably not. It doesn't appear that you can take the cape off. Okay. This is one of the coolest toys that I have, guys. The Arkham series. Okay, let's put him on a stand and just open up the rest of the stuff right there that he came with. Alright, so let's just take whatever's inside this box right here. Okay, take him out. So we have the stand right here. It says DC on it. We have that cool card that I came with. I'm just gonna take this all apart. Alright, I just sped up the video, took out all the parts. Okay, so this is the stand. The card is right here. Let's take it out slowly. I don't want to scratch it. I don't want to bend it. I don't want to break it or tear it. Okay. Wow, look at that. He just looks so cool. So like I described in my previous video, you had Red Hood. You had 2 holes at the bottom, as you can see right here. And you had the stand. The stand has this one little piece that sticks out, and you can put it into any of his foots. But it obviously looks better when you put it on his left leg, so you can actually make it more flexible for standing. Otherwise, it's gonna be very hard. Okay, put him in there. Okay, that's perfect. I'll set him up to stand. Bend him forward. Okay. So there you go. You have Batman set up there, lovely on a stand, just chilling. Now let's just open up the rest of the stuff that came in this package. Let's start off with the Batarang first. Okay. All right, so here you have it, the Batarang that it came with. Doesn't that just look so awesome? We're just gonna put this aside. Okay, right there. Let's take out the grappling gun. There you have it. You have the grappling gun. I don't know if you can see that properly. I guess this is where you shoot something and a grappling string shoots out so you can climb. I think that's what it is. This is what it looks like. Let's grab the last piece right here. The coolest weapon, the gun. Okay. Take it apart. Here you go. This is one of the coolest guns that Batman has, I think. It's not very, oh, it is flexible, okay. Okay, so we have the gun right here and you have Batman. Let's just try fitting this gun into one of his hands. I know it was very hard with Red Hood. The gun kept on falling out of his hand. I hope, because I spent a little bit more on this guy, it's not gonna be that hard. So let's just give this a shot, right? So we have the hand that rotates, okay? And put him in there. Just force him in there. Oh, look at that. Not bad, it was easy. It wasn't that hard. Okay. The gun should be more straight, so. Okay. Hey, bad guys. Hey Joker. I'm gonna take you down, bang bang. Looks not bad. The details. The grip is not bad either. It doesn't seem like the toy's gonna let loose. Oh, look at that. The finger actually goes inside there too. See that? Right there? The finger actually went inside the trigger. Look. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, let's just set him aside right here. Let's put the other gun in his hand. You have the grappling gun. I'm gonna try putting it inside of his hand, if that fits. Okay, we have the left hand. Let's shove it in there. It doesn't seem like he wants to open this hand. Maybe it's just not made for the gun, because who shoots a grappling gun with the left hand? Oh, actually went inside. Look at that. Oh, escaped. It's not gonna fit in there. Okay, let's just use this. We have the Batarang. Hopefully this guy fits in there. How is he supposed to hold this? Okay. Come on, put it in your hand. Seems to be very hard, unlike the other one. Okay, so I'm just gonna squish him between his fingers. Let's put it in there. Just gonna squish him right inside there somehow. Hopefully he fits. Or just put it through his hand like that. Oh, that's awesome. Slipped it just like that. Now let's angle it so it looks pretty cool. There you go. That looks not bad. Oh. So that's what it looks like while he's holding the Batarang. I don't know if Batman's actually a lefty, but it looks pretty cool with both of his hands are busy with an item, right? So he can turn it any way he wants, right? Go this way, go that way, doesn't matter, up, down. Position the gun a little, make him look more cool. There you go. There you have it, guys. The new Batman by Mcfarlane Toys. It's a multiverse series. This one is the Arkham Knight. I hope you guys can actually get a chance to purchase this guy. I got him from Amazon, so it shouldn't be that hard to get. But he is definitely worth it. I think I would give this guy an 8 to 9 out of 10 in build quality. So look at the details. Oh my god, he just looks so absolutely phenomenal. The details of this toy. I really recommend you guys grab one of these if you guys are looking for a Batman. He's not bad for the price that you're gonna pay. Alright, here you have it, the unboxed Batman. Just look at him set up. He looks just so awesome. You have the Bat vehicle that we did an unboxing for last week, and the week before that we had Red Hood, as you can see. He's still just chilling there. Here you have two of my collection toys right here. You have Batman, and now you have Red Hood. We're going to be introducing another character next week, so hopefully you guys can just follow along and just click subscribe and the thumbs up for the like, and hopefully you can click the bell button also for notifications. So whenever I create a video, you guys will be notified whenever I do an unboxing of a new DC Multiverse action figure toy. So you guys are always up to date, and yeah, see you guys in the next video.